A bird with desires. There was a bird with beautiful wings, has many desires that no one can think. The bird got caged while the wings waved. The desire was to fly as high as we see sky. The bird was now trapped in prison for several years. Tried but didn't escape, hopeless now, with many fears. There comes a boy in silence with bare foot to let the bird free in thought of flying more foot. The bird is now out of cage and seen flying after an age, moving his head for thanking that gentleman. The bird flew and was never seen again,